Hiya, it's Lorna, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a little unboxing. It has been a while, but I have new shoes, so I have to show you. Those shoes are not Dr. Martens, they are OSIRIS sneakers, really big chunky skate sneakers that I really like. So they've been really my favorite for a while now, but I don't know, I guess because I wasn't really allowed to have those type of shoes when I was a teenager. Like my mom used to say that it was, in French, écrase merde. So it's like, I don't know if you have an expression for this in English, but it's like a very big shoe that you walk, yeah, in the mud, in dog poop. So yeah, very big chunky shoe, and as a sneakers I think it's perfect, and obviously it makes a little skater look that I really like. So you have my video about the Vans new school that I don't know if I'm gonna link it or not, but it's still in on my channel, that you can find. So the Vans ones are really nice and comfy, and I still wear them. I really like them. I don't know if I made a video about it, but I also had globe shoes, like skater shoes. I don't know if I can insert a little picture. I don't have them anymore. They were really too narrow on the front. So globe are really nice. They're really cute looking, but I can't wear them. It's not really comfortable for me. And I have the Ethnies. Ethnies are the ones that I wore the most because they're really comfortable. They're really true to size, so it's not difficult. I think it's like it has this chunky look, but it's not too much. And I'm gonna show you the Ethnies next to the OSIRIS D3 OG. They look really tiny and small. It's super weird because it used to be like my big sneakers, you know, and now I have the OSIRIS one, and it's like the biggest that I ever had. So yeah, let me show you the comparison. For now I'm gonna show you the shoe, and the actual OSIRIS shoe that I'm talking about. So it came in a box like this. So I ordered it on Relax Skate. I think it's a French website, but maybe if you're in Belgium or maybe Switzerland, you can buy from this website. It's difficult because OSIRIS, this model in particular is often sold out because it's a model from really Y2K, and so it has been really sold out, and now that it's again really trendy to be a bit, you know, 90s Y2K skater. They made a lot of products come back, so this is the case with this pair. So yeah, Relax Skate was a good website, and I checked the recommendation, it was good. So yeah, totally recommend this website. It came really quick, and I think I didn't have any delivery fees. I could even return them. So it's a good website, and it was less than on a you know, a reseller. So even if it's a reseller, I think it's really one of the best I found. So I'm really happy, and it's true, it's not a fake shoe. So you can see here the size. So I'm not really adventurous, so I took a size 38 as always, and UK size 5, and I guess it's US women size 6. So let me show you the inside. I wore them already because I was like, do I make this video without wearing them and just pretending it's all good and new? But no, I wore them like perhaps a couple of times now, and so I cleaned them a bit to show you, but they're really comfortable. yeah, let me show you. So if there's a bit of dirt, and that's normal, I walk with them outside, and it's been raining really a lot in France, so I did my best. I did my best to clean them. So here they are. So it's typically now, I think, the raver shoe, like the one people who goes in rave and like tech fest, stuff like this, they often wear some, you know, at one point it was a bit, one day it's buffaloes, the other day it's fila shoe, and now I think it's this. So I think the ravers like this. So yeah, I just like this because it really makes me, yeah, it makes me think about the skater style that I couldn't have when I was in elementary school. So yeah, so here they are. I'm just gonna take one, it will be easier. So this, like, my feet is here, so you're a bit so it's kind of a platform because it's a bit like this. You have, this is the heel, so your foot is there. It's not really deep inside. Well, yeah, I don't feel like it's really as deep as it looks like, but here it's really wide, really wide. When it comes like this. Well, this is how I tighten it anyway, but so it's a bit weird with the laces. You have to really tighten them a lot because it's already made like this, but in a shape that it's huge, so you can see that it's like the huge chunky sneakers that you wanted, but it's not, like, it doesn't hold anything in the back, so you really need to tighten them. And this is the tricky part. It's because, I don't know if you can see, there is here a little thing that there's a little piece like this, and the shoelaces go inside and then go inside here, so you have to, it's really, I don't know if you can see, it's really difficult to tighten them. So you have to, it's not like you just pull this like this. You need to pull this and then this, and then it's a bit long, so prepare it before you go out. Now that I wore them a couple of times, I think I managed to put it in the right way, but the thing is that you know, you want to put them like right away. It's the shoe that you want to put them in, go do what you have to do, and because it's not like a Dr. Martin, you know, when you really sit down and do your laces, it's not the purpose of this shoe, but it kind of is. For now, like day 3, it kind of is. If I don't want to lose my shoe, if I want to be a bit tighter there, but to still have this big, you know, big aspect like this, I need to sit down and tighten them a bit, because one day I was really too lazy. I put them and then my foot just went like this, and I was like, no, that's not a really good idea. So yeah, I like this little bubble like this, so you can see the brand tag. This is really Y2K, like really, it makes me think of the TN of Nike. What can I say? This is really comfortable. It's really comfortable. It makes me think a bit of Globe shoe. I rather wear OSIRIS than Globe shoe, because Globe shoe was really small here. So this is the thing with like big skater shoe like this. It's huge there. It's really comfortable, but then to have this, I don't know, to have like this shape, a bit triangle shape like this, they made the front really tiny, so if you have long toes, it's not really comfortable. I don't have that long toes, but this is fine, but like the Globe ones were really too small. It was like kind of like this. It really was really uncomfortable. This is why I got rid of them. But yeah, those ones are comfortable. I can feel that it's a shoe that you know, I'm gonna wear a lot, but I'm gonna show you how it looks like compared to the Etnies and the Vans New School, because it's kind of the same, yeah, vibe. This is, it's a bit dirty again. This is the Etnies. This is the Vans New School. So you can see like the really big, how can I do? Okay, big chunky tongue like this. Really like this. The inside is like this. Well, this is my socks. Sorry, guys. It looks like this 1 year after wearing them. Yeah, so this is the Vans New School. This is the Etnies. And I thought they were big. The OSIRIS. Tell me what's your favorite. I really love the OSIRIS. So you can see this is, now that I see them, I really thought, because next to an original Vans, they look really big here. They look really skater, 90s skater vibe. But now that I have those ones seems just like Vans, like, you know, trendy platform Vans. I don't even see the skater look anymore now that I have those, you know what I mean? And really, the Etnies, I'm shocked how tiny this one is. And it's the same size. All is every shoe is 38, so it's really surprising. You can see again like big tongue like this here at knees. So this little sneaker was like my skater sneaker when I was not, you know, wearing those ones. But now that I see those ones, this is like a hipster shoe so much. And now that I have this, like, I'm like, yeah, this is the real game, guys. So anyway, I have only good thing to say about this shoe. I am loving it. They're around €150, I would say, on a lot of different shops. Even on Vinted, people resell it for around €140, something like this. I got them for €129. Don't ask me how I did it. I don't know if I went to in the kid section or something like this. I think I went in the men's section because the sizes started to 38, so I guess I was in the men's section. So I don't know how is that I paid less that on the other website and without any delivery fees. I don't know. This reseller Relaxskate is really good, and really it's not like it's a real shoe. I can feel it. So I don't show you here because I walked, so I'm not going to show you. But yeah, no, it's they're really nice. I really like them. I can't wait to. You can see that there's a little thing like this. I don't know what it should do, because when I was tightening the laces it didn't do anything. I think it's just for the style. So yeah, I can't wait to wear them during summer with a, you know, short casual black dress. I think it will look so good. I have like an idea of style I could do, but it's like raining cats and dogs out there in Paris for now, so I don't think we're gonna have some good summer. I'm a bit desperate. Anyway, so this is my little review. So if I can, I'm gonna insert a little clip to show you how it looks like on me. About the size, I stayed on my size. This is how I pick my shoe. If it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. I'm not like someone who tries to pick another size. I don't know, I'm not like this, and this is my size and it's fine. So I'm gonna tell you it's true to size. It's just that if you have a foot that it's really long, like you have long toenails or long toes, this will like not be really comfortable at the end. For me, it's just that I have a tiny ankle, and so I have to keep in mind to tighten them a bit, and then it's just fine. But if you have like if your foot is really long, perhaps it's will not really be comfortable, but in a way it's still really wide. So yeah, I would advise to stay on your side. There's a lot of people, I saw the comments, who said take a size under, it's super large. No, I would definitely not say it's too large. Yes, it's large, it's a big shoe, you have to tighten them. I mean, it makes sense, but I would rather say take a size higher, because of this thing that it's a bit short on the front. That take a size under, I don't even imagine how it feels if you take a size under. I mean, yeah, perhaps it will hold a bit better in the back, but it will be so uncomfortable. So no, stay on your size. I mean, and then do some really lace them well to see if the problem is the lacing or the problem is the sizing, you know. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you like it. Tell me if you had one of those type of shoe already. If you have those D3 OSIRIS, do you like them or not? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!